Hi guys, welcome to Cetking Shortcut Workshops. These workshops guarantee a minimum 20 marks increase in your score by fine-tuning your shortcut strategies for the particular section. Fine. You can join us for one particular section like quant verbal, or you can join for the complete program. This video will give the complete overview on how to start with your program if you bought it, or if you have not bought it yet, this will give you a complete overview about how to start. Alright, so there are two sections here. One is a cutoff reading workshop for quant. That includes your quant and DI, and second section is for verbal, which includes your verbal as well as logic. Fine, with the pure objective to increase your score by 20 marks. Yep. In this workshop, I'm going to talk about the quant section first. So, increase your score by 20 marks in quant. There are 6 major areas of quant. One is geometry. I call it visual geometry, in which I teach geometry using visually assets, so that help you increase your accuracy in geometry, because it's one of the areas which is very weak for everyone. Number 2 is Vedic numbers, in which we teach numbers through Vedic maths. The concept of Vedic maths can be applied to numbers. Equations and polynomial, third section. Dirty quant, which is modern maths, is your fourth section. The dirty quant, I mean, is your permutation, combination, probability, inequality, functions, graph, all this can come as a part of dirty quant. Number 5 is arithmetic, which is your ratio, proportion, variation, all those things. And last is DI without pen, which is basically data interpretation. Fine. So there are total 100 plus workshops, which are sessions which are going to be there online, because this video I'm going to talk about online things. Similarly, we conduct the workshop in classroom as well. So wherever you want to join, you can join the program. Fine. Now we'll go deeper into each of them. Alright, just to give an example, now what is the importance? Let's talk about 3 cases. So Preeti joined us last year. She was verbal 99.34 and quant 84 percentile. She was a BMS student, which is a BBA student kind of thing. Fine. Another Mohit BCom student, 99.88 percentile in verbal, quant 74 percentile. Riddhi 99.71, quant 89 percentile. Now there are few exams like CAT, ZAT, in which you have to score equally in both the sections. Fine. Then this where this quant based workshop come into picture, that whichever section is you are weak at, you can join the section and increase your scores. Fine. I'll tell you how to do that, how we're going to increase your score. Right. The moment you log in, you will see 2 things. One is a MBA class basics and shortcut workshops. For example, I've joined maths, but I'm very good in equations. Then I don't need to see equation or basis. I can directly jump onto the equation workshops. But some areas like permutation, combination, probability, inequalities, functions, graph, geometry, I'm not that good at. So I'll start with the basics and then go to the advanced level. Fine, this is the first page you will see once you log in. So you can change your password and everything we can do here. Fine. So now we'll go to the second part, deep down, content. That is where you have to click. Alright, the moment you go to content part, within shortcut workshop, you will see these 7-8 modules there. Introduction and schedule, that gives the overview about what topics are there in general, overview in that. Quant shortcuts, verbal shortcuts, logical reasoning, data interpretation, visual reasoning, verbal reasoning, data sufficiency. Now, if you are joining quant, you will not be getting verbal section, you will be getting quant focused sections. Fine, this is the complete overview if you are planning to buy both the programs. Alright, suppose if I click on quant section, I will see all the sessions here of quant, permutation, combination, geometry, arithmetic, everything. Now I can have a drop down into each of them. Yep, so if I quant section, for example, if I drop down to geometry section, this is how it will look. I have again further divided them into part by part: introduction, angles, triplets, similar triangles, trigonometry, areas, coordinate geometry, virtual positioning, circle and circle. Each of them is a separate workshop in itself. Fine. Now this will keep on updating, because for example trigonometry is still not added into this. So trigonometry, it's already there. That's already updated now. Fine. So each and every video, the moment it's being done in the class, we do the recording for the online students, and that's available for in the same week. Fine. So for every section we will get this kind of a drop down. Fine. Now if I go further down into each and every section, for example mixed allocation shortcut, this is a video that will start. Fine. And here on the side you will see a drop down menu in which I can see all the videos. For example, within permutation combination, these are all the videos we have. So that's your detailed section we have. Alright, now what I want to do is, if you want to see my few demo videos, please go to our site cetking.com, and on that you can see demo videos. Within that demo videos, we have videos for everything. For example, geometry, permutation, combination, all the demo videos, a lot of demo videos are there to give an idea the way I teach and all. Fine. So these videos will be more than sufficient for you. And all the videos are recorded by me. My name is Rev. I was CAT topper and CET topper. Fine. So all those videos are recorded by me, and I'm going to teach you shortcuts for everything. You can join the section individually for quant, or you can combine it for verbal and quant, both the areas. So you can also do that. By quant I mean quant and DI. By verbal I mean verbal and logic combined section. Alright, so these are the two sections, quant and verbal, which are included in the complete program. You can buy it together, or you can buy individual programs as well. We just charge extra nominal fees if you upgrade to both the program for quant and verbal. Fine. Along with that, we have a lot of mock strategy. Mock strategy as well. So mock and mock strategy program is including that. Again, objectives to increase your score by 20 marks by fine tuning the mocks. Yep. So there you can also think of that as well. Fine. So how we do is, the moment you guys buying, for example, you only buying the CAT program. Fine. The moment you go to the purchase cart, fine, you can see add more programs. So I can add more programs. Suppose I'm taking NMET as well, ZAT as well as CET. So I can click on these things. You just charge 500 extra or something extra on and above that thing, so that you can add more programs. You don't need to pay extra for that, but just a little bit delta amount for that. You don't need to pay full 1500 or 2000 for that mock, but just a delta amount. Alright, now you can buy an individual program like mocks or a shortcut workshop or anything, or you can add a program as well. The moment, for example, I'm buying shortcut workshops or mock program, you will see add e-class basics. So I can add extra programs, fine, and or add study material books and all. So I can buy individual product, or I can combine a few products by paying a little extra money. Fine. So this is how what we enable. So you kind of make your own pack, or you can buy the complete program. If you want to everything from us, everything, then there's a program called G100, fine, which contains everything: books, mocks for all the exams, shortcuts for all the exams. Everything is included in the part of this program. Yep, so that you can buy as well. Fine, these are our 3 phase books: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, which you can buy. You can buy individual books as well, or you can buy the complete set depending upon how much time we have left for the exam. For example, I've got 3 months time, 2 months time, I can go for all the books. If I got 1 month time, I don't need to go for all the books. I just need the advanced level maybe. Yep. Alright, all the best. If you have not yet, you can add me on Facebook, facebook.com/Ravgan. That's my page. You can like it as well, so that we can be in touch with each other and you can ask me any questions. Fine. If you want to buy our courses, online mock program and everything, please call us on this number. And if you want to join the classroom program, then you can call on the remaining numbers. If you're planning to buy mocks, please call on the online number, because classroom people will not be able to sell you the mocks. Alright, all the best. Thank you.